Something I lament about my school days is that we didn't learn about poet John Clare, despite being a mere 5 miles from his home in Helpston. The countryside he knew and loved is a wonderland at this time of year. 200 years on, the scrubby heath and woody thickets still ring with nightingales. I didn't grow up with their song, despite living so close. So now, every spring, I go looking for it, as if trying to reclaim what I missed, strengthening my lifelong connection to this place.